In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Chrome theme. We'll walk through the most common way to install a full theme from the Chrome Web Store, a quick way to change just your browser colors without installing anything, and how to reset Chrome back to its original look if you change your mind. Let's start with installing a full theme. Open Google Chrome on your desktop. In the top right corner, click the three dots to open the menu, then click Settings. In the left panel, go to Appearance and choose Theme. This takes you straight to the Chrome Web Store. Here you can browse featured themes or search for something specific. When you find a design you like, click it to see a preview and details like ratings and reviews. When you're ready, click Add to Chrome. The theme applies instantly, so your browser colors and the new tab background will change right away. If it doesn't feel right, don't worry. You can pick another theme or reset later. A quick tip. Visually busy themes can look great in the preview, but may make tabs harder to read, so choose a style with good contrast if you work with many tabs. If you prefer a lighter touch without installing a full theme, you can just change Chrome's color. Open a new tab and look to the bottom right corner for Customize Chrome. Click that, then select Color and Theme. You'll see a palette of color styles. Click through to preview how the toolbar and tabs will look, and when you find a color you like, click Done. This option changes only the colors of your browser interface. It doesn't install a theme and won't add background artwork or other design elements. It's a clean, reversible way to refresh your look, and you can come back to Customize Chrome anytime to adjust it. If at any point you want to return to the default Chrome appearance, it's easy to reset. Go back to Settings, open Appearance, and click Reset to Default. Chrome will immediately revert to its original look, removing any installed theme and restoring the standard colors. This is especially useful if a theme reduces readability or if you just want a fresh start. To recap, you can install a full theme from Settings, Appearance, Theme for a complete makeover, quickly adjust colors from a new tab with Customize Chrome for a subtle change, and reset everything from Settings, Appearance, Reset to Default. Try a few options, see what feels comfortable for your daily browsing, and enjoy your refreshed Chrome experience.